Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to get iOS 18 on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 variant and I want to get the iOS 18 on your iPhone 12, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to get iOS 18 on iPhone 12, what you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app, then go ahead and click on Wi-Fi. Here, you want to connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network. After that, scroll down the page, click on General, then click on Software Update. Then hang on for your iPhone 12 to check for available updates. Once you have the iOS 18 update available, then go ahead, click on Update to download the iOS 18 update and then install it on your iPhone. And once this is done, if you come back to the software again, search for available update, and you'll see that your iPhone is not on this iOS 18. Mark you, before you install the update, you want to make sure that you have at least 50% battery capacity, or you do it overnight. So that is basically how to get iOS 18 on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.